Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how I put on my wig that I made. It's a 5x5 HD. The band on it. And I curled it, but I'm gonna brush the curls out when I'm done. And I got combs in the back of it to hold it down. Okay. What I got, after I put it on, just push this out. Okay, so once I got it on where I want it at, then I take some hairspray. So either this one, can you see it? The light might be too much. This bad hair one or OG. Just use the bad hair one. I just spray it. I usually spray more, but I'm not going nowhere, so just put a little bit. Then I'm gonna use my hot comb. I think I got this from, is it Kendra Boutique? Kendra, something like that. Use some Fantasia hairspray. Try not to burn myself because I don't have a mirror. And I'm using some Eco for my baby hair. Well, my edges. And my edges come down really low, so I really don't like wearing frontals. I like wearing closures. See, I need some more. This side is thicker. Let me add some more hair. I was looking for my wax stick. I usually use the Carrot Care wax stick, but this is the only one I could find. I just put this right at the top for flyaways. And that's it. This video is what, only 7 minutes? It's so easy. So I love this wig. And I made this by hand actually. It's not, I usually make sewing machine wigs, but I made this one by hand. And I just curled it with the hot tools and left the end straight. Close. Here. This is my everyday wig. And it will stay on all day. That freeze spray, or what, well, both of these sprays. Both of these will keep your hair on all day. Well, it keeps mine on it. Even if I sweat a little bit or get hot, it still stays. I've taken a shower and it didn't come off.